that I need to get done. It's so hard. It's so hard being an Asian. I can't handle this anymore. I need my rice. There needs to be a difference. I need to become an exemplar of good. I need to become Super Donut. I think I need my trusty sidekick.
Yeah, let's do this.
Wait, give me all your money. Super Donut, help me. Aren't you gonna do anything? I will! Donut powers activate! Let's go get that evil person! Let's go!
Oh yeah.